Got some king prawns? Let me show you the 2 barbecue skewers I cook on pretty much every barbecue course I teach. Here we've got the lemon, garlic and mint, and here we've got the Nduja, and they are both ready in minutes. These couldn't be any easier, so let's get started. So I'm working with raw, deshelled, deveined king prawns. I like to put mine into bags. I find it's easier for the marinating. I've got enough prawns in here for 2 skewers of each one, and I put 4 prawns on each skewer. That's the standard way I do it. So into the lemon mint one, we're going to put some lemon zest. I've got the zest there of a whole lemon. 1 clove of crushed garlic. And then to that, you want a good pinch of freshly chopped mint and a good squeeze of lemon juice. Not too much, and these aren't going to marinate that long, otherwise that's going to start to cure those prawns, or cook them if you like, and just a touch of olive oil. First one done. Second one, we're going to do our Nduja, and I'm using the Nduja paste. Now, if you've taken this out of the fridge straight away, it's going to be a bit tough, and we want to actually mix this. So I've left it out of the fridge. It's a very hot day today, so it's gone really mushy. We're just going to add a little bit of olive oil to that, and then just give it all a little mix into that olive oil. And we're creating basically paste, if you like, and that should just melt into that beautifully. And if not, it's going to go in those prawns anyway, and we can give it a good little squish around in there. It'll work a treat, but that looks perfect to me. So get that in with our other prawns. Seal those up. And just give them a good little mix around and leave them for about 10 minutes, I would say, is perfect. Once marinated, get yourself pre-soaked wooden skewer, and of course we're just going to skewer these up and just want to evenly space them. You don't want them too close together on these, just a little gap in between each one. And then the same for our Nduja ones. Just get that little fella there, straight through the back there. I just like to skewer them this way. I quite like the look of it when it's all sort of curled up like that. Just repeat the process for both skewers. And now for the easy part. Let's get them on the barbecue. And we're going to be cooking these over direct coals. I've been preheating this barbecue now for about 10 minutes. It's set to about 180. These will cook in minutes. I love the sound of that sizzle. You know these are going to taste great. And that's it. We'll give those a minute that side. Okay, they've had their minute. Let's flip those over. Oh yeah, perfect. I can see the colour has changed halfway up, so I know they are halfway done. Another minute that side, and we'll be ready to give them a try and see how we've done. Okay, we are done. All I want to do is give them a little final dressing. We're just going to drizzle both with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a little dash over each set of skewers there. On the lemon, mint and garlic, I want to give it a final squeeze of lemon juice and a little pinch of some more mint. This really sets them off, guys. They are amazing. And then with the Nduja ones, I just want to put a little bit of shredded basil over the top there. Again, this is going to really set those off, but these are fiery. Oh yeah. And that's it. There we have it. My BBQ King Prawn Skewers. Let's give them a try. I'm going to try the lemon zest and garlic ones first. They are excellent. I don't know what it is about the mint. Obviously, lemon and garlic goes an absolute treat, but the mint really lifts it and sets it off. It is so summery, vibrant, fresh, absolutely delicious. And of course, our Nduja ones hopefully got a little bit of a kick. Not too much of a kick. Nice little background heat there. They are good. The basil works an absolute treat with it. They are both amazing. I couldn't put a hair between them, I've got to be honest with you, and that's why I normally serve both. The guys that come on the courses here will cook these up as we're chatting away, and they'll just be standing there eating skewers upon skewers of these, and they never ever disappoint. And the feedback I always get is I cooked these when I got home for my family and my friends, and everyone wants the recipe. Well, now you've got it. Guys, that's it from me for today. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share, comment. If you've got a hype button, I'd really appreciate one of those. I'll put all of the minimal details of today's prawn skewers down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.